Welcome back to Bay of Islands Scenic Cruise. In this second part of the scenic boat tour, we are visiting Cape Brett Peninsula and the famous Hole in the Rock. On the way, we are passing through UruPukaPuka Island and the beautiful Otehei Bay.
Gentlemen, just up ahead of us, UruPukaPuka Island. Uru meaning grove of, puka after the puka tree. This is the largest island.
With 208 hectares in size, UruPukaPuka Island is the largest island in the Bay of Islands. UruPukaPuka Island is abundant with world-class beaches. There are countless spots around this island, where you can enjoy safe swimming and snorkeling. You can also hire a paddle board or kayak from here, and explore the bays by water. Or even you can have a half-day scuba diving experience here, at Otehei Bay. This beautiful bay, in front of us is Otehei Bay. During the last leg of this boat tour, we have a stop in here in Otehei Bay, but now, we are just passing through this island. If you are interested in camping, there are 3 campsites on this island, all of which charge affordable rates. UruPukaPuka Island is also packed with fantastic walking tracks, ranging from 1-hour strolls to 5-hour hikes. So, whatever your stamina level, you will find something for you here.
Now, the restaurant will be closed for the next 10-15 minutes or so. Give them a bit of a chance to open up the restaurant before making your way there. Also, to the left of the restaurant, there is a kayak hire centre there where you can hire kayaks, stand-up paddles.
We are heading towards Cape Brett Peninsula now. This 15 kilometers long peninsula in the Bay of Islands, homes to a picturesque lighthouse known as Cape Brett Lighthouse. This lighthouse is noted for its spectacular cliff-top location. The Cape Brett Lighthouse was first lit on February 21, 1910. And it was the first lighthouse in New Zealand to use a mercury bath to support the rotating optic.
Now they later changed it from kerosene to diesel, then diesel electric. And of course nowadays it doesn't go at all. We still have a lighthouse though. It's that little white box in front of the main lighthouse. That's electrically operated with solar panels. The lighthouse itself stands 146 metres from sea level. Super intensive to run this lighthouse. They actually had 3 families out here looking after this lighthouse. And they had 3 houses out here. And a schoolhouse. Because amongst the 3 families, they managed to raise 15 children. Obviously no TV. Pretty self-sufficient bunch though.
In 1955, the lighthouse was converted to electricity provided by diesel generator. And in 1967, it was connected to the national grid. Following the Marine Department program of automation of lighthouses in the 1970s, it was replaced by an automatic beacon. It last shown on October 5, 1978. It is now managed by the Department of Conservation as a recreation reserve. Our next destination is Famous Hole in the Rock, which is about 300 meters from Cape Brett Peninsula. Island we are seeing in front of us is Motukokako Island, or Piercy Island. It is an island, dominated by its sheer cliffs, that rise 148 meters out of the sea. And it could easily have been mistaken for another large rock in the ocean. This island is famous because of a spectacular 16-meter-high hole at its southwestern end, generally known as the Hole in the Rock.
So here we are, Piercy Island, Motukokako, famous hole in the rock, just coming into view now. So to kick it off, the name Motukokako. Motu meaning island, or to stand alone. Kokako is after the breeder and endangered bird, the kokako bird. Now the early Maori used to use this island as an open-air aviary. They actually released the kokako bird onto this island. Once it was on the island, it couldn't get off.
This natural wonder was created over centuries by wind and waves. According to Maori legend, local warriors used to paddle through the hole in their waka or canoes before departing for battle. Drops of water from the cave roof above were considered as a good omen.
And the hole itself is only 40 feet across, and just way here, it opens up to 80 feet on the other side. What happens is, as the wave comes through the hole, you compress it. Up down here, when it's a fire hydrant. Very, very dangerous. But today is not a good day to be driving through the hole. Get some nice photos, nice and close. We'll turn the boat around. Very spectacular there today. I can tell you we've actually seen this hole completely full of water. When we get that easterly swell, southeasterly swell coming up the coast, as I say, compresses on the other side. Now just coming up on our right hand side here is another hole in the rock in the making. This is known as Grand Cathedral Cave. Now there's lots of cathedral caves throughout New Zealand, but of course this one is the best one. I wouldn't say that, wouldn't I? Also known as Manawahuna, which means hidden part. Now this cave goes back some 70 metres, and divers have actually told us they can feel a surge coming through from the other side, which tells us the fossil fluid running through underwater. There's another hole in the rock in the making. Legend has it that there is a taniwha living in the base of this cave. A sea god, if you like, or a sea serpent, maybe even Tongariro himself.